My name is Emmanuel George, and this is my Lab 9 for ENME351. This is my Arduino code. And this is my processing code. I reference the source where I based my processing code in my Arduino and processing code PDF. So the basic gist of my project is I have a few LEDs set up, a active speaker that I had to ground with a NPN transistor. I have them connect to resistors as well, also connected to digital pins, and I have an ultrasonic sensor kind of rigged to a servo motor. Also, as you can see, the library, servo.h library was not used for this. I created my own PWM function. So the gist of this lab is basically having a sensor on a swivel acting as a radar, and if it senses something within a certain distance, and that certain thing is sensed to have motion by the PIR sensor, then not only will you see like if something is within range on processing, but it should also go off here, and it'll light up and the speaker will go off. So here's a demonstration. And the speaker starts beeping because since it's an active speaker, as soon as it's connected to power, it automatically goes off. So that's what the transistor comes into play for. And I'm gonna upload it. So right now it's just on a swivel, and I'll put it down. And so right now I'm within the range. My hand is within the range. So if I put myself within range and I show some kind of motion, the motion that time was my phone being in range, it alerts. And then as for processing, oh, I gotta close this. So you can see whenever it turns red, that means it's something within the distance that I programmed it for. And when it's within the distance, if there's motion, so that's also how you know if it's identifying a human body or something in motion or just a regular object. And usually if it's just a regular object, it won't detect. Like if I point it up, there's nothing for it to detect. Thanks.